Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to Mystic Justice. How are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Stay safe.
This is the third episode of Zodiac Sign series. In this, I'll be discussing about Gemini. I'll include the tarot card readings also. I'll be discussing about the past, future, and also about the personality traits of Gemini. So let's get into the video. Hello Gemini, this video is all about you. First, let's start with the meaning of the letters in Gemini. G is for generous, E is for emotional, M is for motivated, I is for imaginative, N is for nice, I is for intelligent. So basically, Geminis are very intelligent. You are perceptive, analytical, and often very funny. You have a childlike curiosity for everything and you always ask new questions. Geminis are very keen observers and good listeners. You are comfortable being both introverts and extroverts. You are innovative and creative. You are smart, passionate, and dynamic. Now, the best quality of Gemini. You people are highly optimistic. You never get stuck in the past and always try to move forward. You have an ability to look always on the bright side of life. The weakness of Gemini. You are over emotional at times. Too much of anything is not good. So, in short, Gemini are adaptable. You are intelligent and can make decisions very quickly. You have the ability to persuade people and make them agree with your opinion. You are energetic and also good at multitasking. You seem to be kinda mysterious to outsiders, but the ones you are close to will be very fond of you and appreciate your loving nature. Now, let us see what the tarot cards has to tell about your personality, past and future. So these are the three sets. The first set is about your personality, the next one is about your past, and the final third one is about your future. So this is the set that tells you about your personality, Gemini. So let's open the cards and see. So these are the cards that you have got. So what I can see from here is you try to avoid drama as far as possible, and you are a people who are very real, and you avoid pointless arguments, and you don't like to create a debate on unnecessary things. Then you're very courageous and you always stand up for yourself, as this card shows, and you're people who constantly look out for ideas. You have a lot of thoughts that are going through your mind, and you always look up to the bright side of life, and you are very optimistic. Then you tell what you feel like, and you're not afraid to express yourself. Maybe your thoughts, opinions, anything. You are very expressive and you don't think twice, which can lead to problems at times, I guess. Then you are loyal, supportive, and loving souls. So that was the brief description about your personality, Gemini. Now let's see about your past. Which page from your past is the cards are willing to show you? Let's see. So this set shows the past of yours, maybe a page from your past, Gemini. So let's open the cards and see. So what I can see from here is you must have faced difficulty in dealing with people, or must have faced trouble in working with certain kind of people, maybe in your workplace or some other places, which would have caused disturbances in your work life or family life. I don't know, maybe this shows about the people and they have caused a lot of disturbances in your life. And I can also see that you have suffered from severe pain, maybe a loss which has affected you deeply, and you must have worked hard in the past. This card shows that, and you are content with what you have. You are very content with what you have, and you are people who look out for new opportunities. And this card shows that you have achieved a lot of success in your life, maybe small or big ones. Yeah, that was it. So that was the page from your past. So now let's see what the cards have to tell you about your future. So this set has the cards that show your future. So let's open the cards and see. So these are the cards that came for your Gemini. I can see that it's a mix of favorable and unfavorable events. There will be many ups and downs in your near future, Gemini. You have to think before you speak. This card shows that. There can be problems because of the way you convey certain things, maybe your emotions. You have to control that. Please try not to be harsh. Also think twice before speaking. So this card indicates that there will be a conflict, or there are chances for a fight because of the way you convey certain things. So try to be calm while dealing with things, and think twice before speaking. And there can be possibilities of promotion and salary hike also. There are also chances for improvement in your financial status. Then if you're single and you're about to choose your partner, do it wisely, because I can see that there are chances of you falling into a bad influence, or chances of you getting cheated or being misused. So try to be more careful while choosing your partner. There can be also clashes with this person, so try to be more careful while dealing with this person, or if you already are in a relationship, or if you are about to choose someone, then do it with more caution, as there are chances for you to end up in a fake relationship, or maybe the person will cheat you or something, you will get deceived or something. So yeah, try to be more cautious about that. So yes, that was the reading for you, Gemini. Now let's see about the ruling planet and ruling elements of yours. So Gemini, your ruling element is air. Air represents intelligence, creativity, and optimism. Your ruling planet is Mercury. It represents communication, energy, and emotion. Your spirit color is yellow. Your lucky gem is pearl. Your top love match is Leo. Some of the famous personalities who have Gemini as their sun sign are Donald Trump, Johnny Depp, Angelina Jolie, and Karan Johar. So that was a brief description about you, Gemini. Hope you enjoyed. I'll be back with another sign in the next episode of Zodiac Sign series. Until then, peace out.